G'day. We're basically here today to explain to you the difference between crimping and burning your pins of your DC plug onto your cable. Firstly, the crimping that was done on this pin is horribly done. 25mm crimping tool must be used. If you can see, I can actually pull that off just by hand. If you have a bad connection on your pin, it causes arcing between your cable and your pins, and that can cause your plug to melt and damage to your machine's card. So we'll demonstrate how to burn the cable on by using dipping into flux to take your corrosion, sulfation off your cable, and then basically into the pins that we already lined, as you can see, with lead inside the pins. So Nkuya will start burning the cable into the pin. He's heating up the pins first until the lead actually gets stuck onto the sides of the pins, and then we'll proceed.
Stefan, if I can just come in here, why would you say the Anderson contacts are preferred to be used in this type of industry instead of the knockoff?
Well, the pins are more made out of copper, and then your zinc plated, so your connection of your plug actually is a little bit better for your flow of your DC power through to the machine. Put it in there, just heat it up a little bit more. Take away the axis. Okay. So we're just putting that down. Extremely hot. Got that flame, please. Oops. So you can pull on that cable. Okay, we'll take the axis lead off. You can pull on that cable, you can pull. You're not going to get it out there easily. So that shows you, that the connection of lead onto a cable and your pins are much better connection. So the power, there's no arcing. You just put a bit of isolation tape around your lug and your cable where it starts and ends. You'll clean that lug, and then that is basically what you can say.
Okay, and what is your experience using the Anderson power products?
Anderson power products are basically your density of your plastic is a little bit more of a normal plug, so the flexibility, I'll say, is a little bit better than the plugs that are seen outside in the industry. So if you drop it or plug it in, it doesn't shave off easily. If you drop it, it doesn't just crack. Pressure, you can put pressure on your front pins on your plastic. There's no way that it actually cracks. Only when, because of heat and things like that, but that is after time, more time than the normal plugs.
Okay, and if you look at an Anderson connector, what would you say makes Anderson? Is it the actual housing, or would you say is it the copper contacts?
Well, I'll say it's the housing and the copper contacts. The housing, like I said, is better made out of more durable plastic, and then your housing, well, your pins are actually a little bit more dense in copper, and then your zinc cladding is done well, and you can identify the pins clearly as well because they're marked.
Okay, and what has been your service experience from Alexander and Poole?
Well, the service experience is not bad. We didn't see any problems yet. So we tested all the plugs, we tested the service, the quotes are getting sent through very quickly. Delivery times are extremely good, and yeah, product is good.
Thank you, Stefan. I look forward to
The
doing...
staff is very friendly as well.
Thank you. I look forward to doing future business with you. Thanks.